Hey party planners, looking for that knockout snack to wow your guests? Today I'm showing you how to make Chile Crisp-Glazed Bacon Bites, an irresistible, flavor-packed treat that'll have everyone coming back for more. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 ounce of dried whole Japanese chilies, 1/4 cup of chopped honey-roasted peanuts, 2½ teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon crushed cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon crushed Szechuan peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 whole star anise, 1 cup peanut oil, 1/2 cup thinly sliced shallots, 1/4 cup thinly sliced garlic, and a 1 2-pound slab of bacon cut into 1-inch cubes. Alright, let's dive in. First, put on some gloves and remove the stems and seeds from the chilies. Toss those chilies into a food processor and pulse until they're finely chopped, but not ground to a powder. Next, in a large heat-proof bowl, mix the chopped chilies, peanuts, salt, cumin, Szechuan peppercorns, black pepper, and star anise. Set a fine wire mesh strainer over this bowl, trust me, it'll make sense in a bit. Now heat the peanut oil in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Add the shallots, garlic, and ginger, and cook them until they're golden and crisp, about 5 to 6 minutes. Immediately pour this hot mixture through the strainer into the bowl with the chilies. Spread the strained solids on paper towels to drain and cool for about 30 minutes. Once cool, stir them back into the chili oil mixture. Cover and refrigerate for at least 8 hours, or overnight if you can wait. On the day of your party, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a rimmed baking sheet with aluminum foil, and arrange the bacon cubes evenly on the sheet. Bake until the fat has rendered, but the bacon isn't crisp just yet, around 45 to 55 minutes. While the bacon is doing its thing, take the chili crisp out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature, which should take about 30 to 45 minutes. Once the bacon is ready, use a slotted spoon to transfer the cubes to a large bowl, discarding the drippings. Remove the star anise from the chili crisp and toss in about 1/4 cup of it with the bacon. Feel free to add more chili crisp to taste. And there you have it, Chile Crisp-Glazed Bacon Bites. Serve them warm with some food pics and watch them disappear. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. You can find more amazing recipes like this on my channel at Kraystar Flavor King. Ringing in the new year with bacon just feels right, doesn't it? Enjoy and happy partying.